I can't tell you how frequently I have patients here that have been told they don't have enough bone to replace a tooth or teeth with dental implants. So many times I look at these 3D scans and talk to the patient and find abundant bone. Now, sometimes there's not much, but the truth is most dentists don't know about mini dental implants. And most dentists don't place implants. And so sometimes they're going off of 2-dimensional scans. Sometimes they haven't looked at a 3-dimensional scan because not a whole lot of dentists have that technology. Typically, when my patients say that, I'm thinking to myself, I bet you we can place an implant there. And 9 times out of 10, we can, probably more than that. If you've been told that you don't have enough bone for a dental implant, give us a call and let us see if mini dental implants might be a solution for you.